Hi guys, so I'm unboxing my 2.5 liter cooker which I ordered from Amazon. Let's see what it looks like. This is the bill. So now this is Miss Mary pressure cooker. I've used this brand earlier also, and I wanted a smaller one because I have a 5 liter one and I wanted a little smaller one which I can use on a daily basis. So I'm excited to open my new cooker. This is an aluminum cooker. The MRP was 1150 and I got it for 1034 rupees. Ta-da! And this is the cooker. It's quite a cute size. I wanted only for 2 or 3 people. And I can make dal. The other one I have is like too huge and too bulky. Sometimes I have my issue with my frozen shoulder where I cannot handle very large or heavy vessels. So that's why I ordered this Chota Wala cute cooker. Now I'm having trouble opening this. Let me just open it here like this. And then I use a scissor to open this. And if I can pull it out, but I cannot. So I will have to cut this out completely. It's quite rough, but I'm in a hurry. See my new cooker. This is the lid that I'm opening. It's quite cute, but I cannot find the whistle. Where is the whistle? Here. Oh, the whistle is stuck inside here. This is the whistle. तो मेरा नया कुकर आ गया. And this is the CT. And this is the rubber gasket. It's a little rough on the edges over here, but I guess it will be fine once I start using it. So this is my new Miss Mary. Yoo-hoo!